This is crypto Wild Wild West. For those haters at every step. Got my drip, I'm fresh to death. Hydrate now, I feel refreshed.
DeFi Dialogue, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing good today. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. And it's a new day, a new opportunity to get the bag. Let's kick it off talking about my favorite passive DeFi play, the DRIP ecosystem. And we can see the BUSD total value locked $126 million. Price of pig sitting at $91.57. Dogs are at $37.04. And if you've been keeping up with the price of pigs and dogs, you realize we have had a pullback. How low would dogs go is undetermined right now, but what I'm going to do is continue to watch the price. I'm looking for a good opportunity to DCA in, add to my bag. And so let's go check out the animal farm governance. And so today, December the 22nd at 10 a.m., that's when the voting time expires. So you still have a little bit of time left on the clock. Hopefully you see this video before it ends if you have not voted yet. And so looking at the current results, weekly is still in the lead with 63% of the people voting for weekly. Monthly is still in second, 35% voted for monthly. And quarterly is still bringing up the rear, 1.25% people voted for this. It does look like weekly is going to be how we receive our pigpen injections. And so I'm very excited about this, especially in this bear market. We had the pigpen paying you rewards in BUSD. This is definitely bullish, especially for people outside of the community who may be looking for a new DeFi play to get in while the markets are getting wrecked. And so recently I've been thinking about this, especially with the holiday season upon us. We're going to be hanging out more with family, friends, and everyone always asks, what are you investing in? Or if they know you're in crypto, they're going to ask you, how is your crypto portfolio looking? I heard that thing about FTX. I heard about all the regulations that's coming up. Are you still in crypto? Did you get wrecked? Is it a scam? Is everything going to zero? And so this is how I'm looking at it. We normally tell our family and friends about our crypto portfolio or our stock portfolio in the middle of the bull run. When everything is at its all-time high, we have made a large amount of money. This is when we have conversations about just how our portfolio looks and the investments we are actually in. But what normally happens when we discuss this at this point, our family and friends are actually buying at the highest point. And so now, once they've done this, they have most likely bought the top and they have no idea what's coming in the bear market. And so this is what I'm thinking. What if we switched it up? Instead of being so excited in the bull run, telling everybody what we're invested in, then we actually encourage people to do their own research right now while you can buy everything at a bargain price. And this is nothing new. Wealthy people have been using this strategy for years. In fact, let's check out this quote. You make most of your money in a bear market. You just don't realize it at the time. Shelby C. Davis. And if you've been following my channel, you know this is one of my favorite quotes. I normally read it a few times a week just to keep myself in the mindset of take advantage of opportunities in the bear market. This is where you're making your money. And so let's move on and check out the drip garden. We can see the total LP locked 281,000. Let's scroll down, see how my plants are looking. Right now I have 5,913 plants, but I do need to compound. Let me add to the bag. And so after compounding, I'm at 6,532,000. And my strategy has not changed over here. What I'm doing is compounding 6 days of the week. One day I withdraw, and when I withdraw, I come over to the farm and place it in the drip BUSD farm. And we can see my stake in the farm right now is 22.317. And so let's move on and check out the pig pen. We can see the BUSD in the rewards vault, $1.4 million. And I'm definitely excited about this governance going live. I'm curious to see, once we start rolling on a weekly basis, what does everybody injections look like? Just how much is everyone earning? And so let's scroll down and check out my pigs. We can see right now my pig stake balance is 13.182. And if we look under the reward center, I have claimable BUSD at $5.36. What I'm going to do is compound the pigs and claim the BUSD. And so after compounding, the BUSD have been moved to my wallet. Everything is looking good. And so real quick, let's go back over to the Drip BUSD farm. And we can see the APR over here is now at 80.39. The multipliers at 8x. And so looking under the details, total liquidity is $2,700,000. And what I'm going to do is simply continue to keep an eye on this, but I still want to add to my bag over here. I believe putting the Drip BUSD in the farm is a good play for the whole protocol. And so what I will continue to do is just keep an eye on this, but I want to continue to add to the Drip BUSD farm because this is how I'm going to earn more dogs. And so let's move on to the foundation, the Dripfaucet. We can see right now my deposits, 3,584, available is 34. I need to hydrate, so let's get to it. And so after compounding my new deposits, 3,617. And so one of the main comments that I keep hearing repeatedly is this: Drip is going to zero. Or they switch it up and ask a question: is Drip going to zero? No FUD. And so every time that I hear this, I'm reminded of something that I learned while investing in stocks. Some people always see fear, doom, gloom is going to zero. Other people see opportunity. They see if I buy in now, once the bull run comes, I can 5x, 6x my money. And in crypto, we know that may be a 15x to a 1000x. But it's up to you to determine, after doing your own research, are you going to invest in something? Is this something you can make money off in the long run? What is your risk tolerance? Some people have a very high risk tolerance. They don't mind putting it all on the line. Others do not want to lose $1. That means that's a total loss. Everything is out of control if I lose $1 on this play. But one of the best things about investing, you can choose whatever strategy works for you. If you see a project and think it has potential, you believe in the developer, the team, and you think in the future this is going to be at a higher value than what it is now, this is a play for you. If you don't see this, sometimes you may just have to sit it out. Don't invest in something that you don't believe in and you think you're going to lose money. It'll be better for you to just sit it out, do your own research, and find a project that does align with your investment strategies. And of course, nothing I say is financial advice. That's why I encourage you to do your own research. And so that's where I'm going to leave it at for today. If you want to know more about Drip or the animal farm, check out DripCommunity.WIKI. And so later today, Forex Shark will have an AMA. I believe this one is the one that's supposed to be Drip specific, but I'm sure he's going to talk about the pig pen injections as well. So if you have some free time, check it out. If not, I'm definitely going to be dropping some highlights and some information in the next couple videos covering the AMA. And so until we speak again, invest in yourself, invest in your future, learn more about these DeFi plays. DeFi Dialogue, out.
DeFi Dialogue, get the bag you've been told. Remember the mission, remember the goal. Remember never leave your wallet exposed.